Duster.
duster,
Duster is the word of the day. Is a diagram.
Up to 6 phonics plus.
Archer.
archer,
There are 3 diagrams in this word. Ch, and
As in winner. Winner.
Winner.
Winner.
These are a few more examples of words.
sister,
There are 3 different ways our sound can be written: ER, IR, and UR. Like
pepper,
river,
river,
skirt.
skirt,
Same sound but written differently. Thirst and UR. Curve,
Saturday, Saturn,
curtain.
curtain.
We will learn this concept in alternate spellings, and you can download up to 6 Phonics Plus app to practice these concepts in interactive manner.